So hello friends, a lot of you have been asking me every now and then, so what should we expect in this particular year? Will there be vacancies or how many vacancies should we expect? Will the number of vacancies drastically go down or will it remain the same? A lot of questions, right? Now I can give you some inputs over here जो आपको help करेंगे to decide whether or not you should be preparing for this year as well. तो अगर आप एस्पिरेंट हैं IBPS SO मार्केटिंग या HR के, तो एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा that for the last 6-7 years I have seen the pattern. If you take the average number of vacancies for last 2 years, which I mean to say, आप अगर 24-23 का एवरेज वैकेंसीज देखें, 23-22 का एवरेज वैकेंसीज देखें, 22-21 का एवरेज वैकेंसीज देखें और 21-20 का एवरेज वैकेंसीज देखें और 2019 का एवरेज वैकेंसीज देखें, तो आपको एक स्टेडीली ग्रोइंग पैटर्न मिलेगा, राइट. सो द आइडिया इज दैट एवरी ईयर ऑन ईयर, हर 2 साल का जो एवरेज नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज है दैट इज ऑन द राइज, which makes you understand that the need for IBPS SO marketing officer is going to grow gradually. Now this can happen that if one year we had 700 plus and then it came down to 1300 plus vacancies, तो हो सकता है इस साल जो अभी आने वाला नोटिफिकेशन हो उसमें इतने सारे वैकेंसीज ना हो, बट डिसेंट नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज हम अभी भी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो कीप your focus on the job. This is a very good opportunity, and going forward I see IBPS SO marketing officer gaining much more scope and importance when it comes to acquiring business for the banks, right. So with this hope, I would suggest you that don't waste your time. The calendar is out and the examination dates have also been preponed. Yes, I'll come up with a separate video on this, but to give you kind of an assurance that be rest assured the vacancies are surely going to come. थोड़ा बहुत नंबर ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट यू शुड स्टॉप प्रिपेयरिंग और यू शुड स्टार्ट प्रिपरेशन ओनली वंस द वैकेंसी इज आउट. सो इफ यू आर अ सीरियस कैंडिडेट, इफ यू वांट टू मेक यूज ऑफ टाइम, get started right away. I will be coming up with a detailed explanation of the syllabus and the approach that you should be adopting for pre and mains very soon. But the bottom line remains that you should not waste any more time and get started for your preparations for IBPS SO and IBPS HR. IBPS SO marketing and IBPS SO HR, both the examinations. Till then, bye bye, God bless you, and yes, so keep yourself updated with these events and these short inputs. Don't forget to subscribe JC Academy. I'm here to stay and I will be connected with you throughout the year. So all the very best. Bye bye, all the best.